Hello guys, I was just on the road and I saw this very odd house over here, and I wasn't sure if it was abandoned or not, but I think it is, and it really looks nice. It's very small. This is gonna be just probably a small update. Like, it's a small house. There's nothing really looks weird about it or nothing. It's just odd. Look at this, guys. I already wasn't sure if it's somebody's, but I don't think it's anybody's really. There's still like old interiors inside of it, like I saw from a window, and have no idea. This might be like a historical little house. There's a light bulb, so yeah, the wire is cut. I don't know. I'm not sure even if it's used as anything really. Like, everything here is cut. There's the wire that obviously is like put around here. I hope it's nobody's, because it looks interesting. And there is actually, it's actually almost untouched. I know it's a small house. It's really small house. It's not a big house, but it's a interesting house. It looks interesting. It looks nice. I think I closed this door now. It's like more open again. And I have no idea if anybody really lives here. Because as you see, it still has like old oven inside and stuff. Maria decided to be in a car, and I decided to check this place. Some electronics, something here. It is abandoned. Привет? Hello? Nobody home. Absolutely nobody home. Still stuff here. There's an old jewelry box. There's nothing inside. Really looks nice. I wonder if there's anything really. I don't know. I was thinking like, I'm not gonna take anything, but there's still stuff here. I'm not sure if this is used. Still old stuff here. Really old stuff. Wow. This is the most Soviet drawer, if I've ever seen one. Still clock. It stopped at certain time. Here's a small update, guys. I hope I don't end in trouble. Like, I'm not gonna break or take anything. I just wanted to see if there's anything here. I'm not gonna even touch the light. Like to burn the whole house down. Still like old box left. Maybe this is somebody's stuff. Very interesting. Never seen. And the old oven. And a knife. I think this goes outside. Does this work? No. Long ago haven't worked. Oh. Guess this is the only thing. I mean, that's a cool last 5 minutes house tour. I have no idea if this is used or not. I didn't see, by the way, any way up. It's probably something you pull to get up. Probably. I didn't see it. Really odd little house. It's really cute though. Like, I could imagine living in one of these. I have no idea about the history of the house or who it belonged to. I don't even know if who it belonged to. I think it's abandoned. I think. But in Latvia, you always need to know that there's a moment where something might look abandoned, but it's not abandoned. But at the same time, even if it is somebody's storage, it's not really, there's not really nothing there. There is like old stuff that is left there, and drinking things, like the things and stuff like that. It's really cool. I like it. No ghosts though. Too bad. I wonder what happened to this place. Anyways, guys, that was just a 6 minutes update on my road. I'm gonna be heading back on my road towards the next abandoned place, and I'll see you on the next one. Adventure on out. Thank you for watching, guys.